Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your camera looks too dark during meetings and your video brightness is very low in Microsoft Teams, don't worry, this is a common problem and today I will show you a quick and easy fix in less than 1 minute. Sometime when you join a meeting, your camera appears dim and unclear, even if your room lighting is fine. This happens because the low light brightness setting is turned off. Let's fix it step by step. Open Teams on your computer. Open Settings. Then select Devices. Now scroll down to the video section. Look for the options Adjust Brightness, Enhance the quality of your video, and Low Light Conditions. Turn this option on. That's it. Your camera brightness should improve instantly. If your video is still dark, also make sure your room lighting is in front of you, not behind you. Your webcam lens is clean. And that's how you fix a dark camera in Teams quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more simple tech solution. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.